Hi, my name is Yongyan Cao, and this is the SEO assignment for our class. For this assignment, we need to add at least 3 SEO enhancements to our websites to enhance our site's visibility to search engines. The first enhancement that I did for my website is I included a meta description tag on the home page. Ideally, we want to have the descriptions that's shorter than 155 characters, including spaces. That's why I try to keep the description short and simple and to the point. And then I also have a title tag right here, so that every time people go to the website, the tab title will have a title that's matching the page content. And when we go to the instructors page, it will also have a title instructors that's matching the content of the page. Same thing, contacts right here, and also classes types, student services. Of course, this is the login page. So for other pages such as the instructors, because it inherits from the master page, so I update the page title on the code behind page. I just use page.title and then I update the titles right here, so that every time we have a new page, such as the course list right here, it will also have a title. It will also have a title that's matching the page content. The second enhancement that I did for my website is that I added a video on the home page. So right now the video is not about the school yet, but later on we can create a video that's specifically for the music school, and then we can update the page. For the demonstration purposes right now, I'll just put a video right here, because a web page with a video will rank higher than a plain text website. That's why I want to demonstrate how we can embed a video on the home page. How I did it is, let me go back to the home page first. Okay, so let me scroll down. I have a label tag right here, and then on the code behind page, I grab the video ID from YouTube and put it in a string variable, and then I set the label's text as the following. So it has the name and then the link to the web page, and then the size, such as the width, the height, things like that. So, and then I also put the video in the middle of the page so that it has a cleaner look and feel. The last enhancement that I did for my website is I created a sitemap for my home page, for my website, sorry. So it will have a main sitemap node as home page, and underneath the main sitemap node, it will have the instructors, contact, class types, etc., the pages. And underneath the student services page, it will have 2 sitemap node underneath the student services node. It will be course list and transcript, so that when we go to the student services, we can have those 2 pages underneath it. Okay, and then I also, on the home page, this navigation bar here, I basically just have a list view control right here, and then I bind the list view control to a sitemap data source. So every time I update the sitemap, this navigation bar also updates. So let me go to the home page right here, and then can show the code. Okay, so the list view control is right here, and then it has a item templates inside the list view. And then the sitemap data source is just right here. And then I set the show starting node as false, so that it will not just show the home page. It will actually show the child page underneath home on the second level of my sitemap. Okay, and because I set the show starting node as false, so I have to manually put in the home link on the top, and then it will pull out the instructor's contact and class types page from the sitemap. For example, if I go to the sitemap and if I get rid of the instructors page, I can comment it, and then if I refresh the page, the instructors tab should disappear, just like that. And if I put the instructors page back, it will show the instructors page again. So just like that. Same thing, because my home page is not in here from a master page, but for my other pages, such as the instructors, the class types, they are in here from the master page. So I did the same thing for the navigation bar in the master page. So same thing, I also have a list view right here, and then I also put in the home page manually in the beginning, and then it will manually pull the child page from the sitemap in the list view, and then the data sources right here in the master page. So yeah, that's all I did. So I basically just have a description tag, and then I have the title tag, and then I have the video, and then I also have a sitemap to enhance my website's visibility to the search engines. That's all I have. Thank you.